Tibbet Knob, the Knob Trail のハイキングコースですね。これから行きます。
The trail itself is really pretty with the trees beside it, but then if you pause and just look out over the side, you can see cool rocks, and you can see in some areas you can already get a really long range view.
ここからすごくいい景色が見えます。あの山の名前とかなんていうのかよくわかりませんが、とっても綺麗です。
So time to look for a little rest break. It's beautiful and it smells really interestingly fresh. And there's a huge tree. I think I saw that those are hickory oak or something. Bark's amazing, and that one's really big size. I think we're near the top, but we're not there yet. It's beautiful still, and we're hot and sweaty.
Yeah, I hope this is the last steep hill. How was it?
It was beautiful, totally beautiful. We had a couple of rock scrambles. They were really interesting and not very big. And then we arrived at this beautiful location.
There you go.
So we made it back. It was a really beautiful hike.
Yeah, it's only 1.6 miles one way. It was much harder than we thought, but it was beautiful.
Yeah, a lot of hills because it's a knob that you're going to. A couple of scrambles, but mostly it's the hills.
Yep.
But very, very gorgeous.
Okay.
Okay, bye.